Hey, this is Ed from Bikerheadz, and this is the BERING Oural jacket, new for 2020. Okay, so the BERING Oural jacket, as it's pronounced in French, we're going to talk about all the features of this great product. We worked really hard with BERING to get the price point absolutely bang on with this product, and it's an incredible jacket, sub £200. So let's talk about all the amazing features. Let's get right into it. So we start at the top of the product. We've got a soft neck running all the way around the top to keep it nice and comfortable around the neck area. If you look at the snap here, to do up the neck area, you can adjust that to 3 positions so you can get the perfect fit all the way around the neck every time you use it, whether you're using a buff or whether you're just using it straight out of the crate like this. Very important because this jacket can be used all season long. Run down the front, I'll give you one of the best features of this product. 2 zip ventilation points here. Little tip with any jacket you buy, try to blow through the vent and see if air flows directly through the product. If it doesn't flow directly through, it's not a proper vent. With the BERING Oural jacket, you've got a separate zip inside. Open up that secondary zip and you've got direct air ventilation straight into the product. So that's direct air ventilation on a drop liner product, sub £200. Incredible feature at this price point. Why do they use 2 zips? Pretty simple. If they just use the outside zip, you've either got open or closed. If you use an inside zip as well, you can have the exterior open on a warm, wet day, which will stop the water coming in, but you're still going to get some airflow to the membrane, help keep you cool, help it breathe inside the product. So running down the front here, you've got reflective panels down the front, simple closure at the front as well, really nice quality zip running down the middle, 2 pouch pockets on the sides, waist adjusters on the sides as well. If I just spin it round, you see 2 different materials on the shoulder here. You've got a 600 denier fibre tech material, which is the base of the jacket, and then you've got the RMAX product on the top, which is their ballistic material, much harder wearing and more abrasion resistant material on the top here, so you've got an extra protection. While we're talking about the protection areas, you've got armour pockets, elbows and shoulders. The elbows are adjustable, so you can move them to 2 different positions so you can get exactly where you need it to be. It's BERING's Omega protectors, really nice quality protectors. Running around again, ADS system running down the back. There's your zip, just open up that ventilation point on the back of the product. Reflective panel on the back, and then you've got the hood space system. Absolutely unique to BERING, this one. If I open it up, you've got a zip just under the zip, and you can unfold a balaclava that you can use. That attaches to the outside of the product so the water runs down and off the back, not down and into your jacket with a traditional balaclava. That obviously zips off if you don't want to use it or you just want the space. You can just unzip it from the side here, no problems at all. Running again down the back here, you've got a mat pocket running in the back of the product, so another little feature BERING put at the £200 price point, all the features you need. Running it back around to the front again, more reflective points running down the shoulders, adjusters on the arms. So just open up, you can see you've got the micropolar fleece inside the lining as well. So it's a really, really warm lining with a thermal alloy backing, which will reflect the heat back into your body, keep you nice and warm. Those of you that have BERING in the past will know they make fantastic liners, really warm product. What BERING have done with this, again, another lovely feature, is they've added their 500 membrane to it. So BWT 500 membrane, normally you get their 100 plus, which is a really nice breathable membrane. The 500 is their most breathable membrane until they get to their Gore-Tex level. So extremely breathable. You've got a little phone pocket on the side that's accessible through the lining. You've also got pockets on the inside here. And again, another pocket on the inside here. So lots of features, all of that sub £200 price point. You've also got a 3-year extendable warranty with BERING, so 3 years warranty with the BERING products as well. Absolutely fantastic products. If you wanted to pair this with a trouser, you've got the BERING Dusty Pant as well that you can pair this to, which would work perfectly. So that's the BERING Oural jacket. If you need more information on this product, go to bikerheadz.co.uk or check out any more of our videos.